Hey everyone! So, as some of y'all have seen just from following Facebook posts and stuff on Insta as well, I kind of had a hobby over the last year or two where I've really started to get into taking old electronics or video game systems that don't work right, try to restore them, repurpose them, kind of make them look fancy and shiny like new. But there's always been one project that I've wanted to do and never kind of had the means or the time to. And that was actually to build an iMac aquarium from one of the old colorful iMacs that everyone kind of goes, oh, it's so cute. Until now, kind of. So my project changed a little bit because I was on eBay looking for an iMac G3, and I have been for the last maybe year or so for a really good deal on one that's in fairly good condition that I could just gut and turn into an aquarium. But I came across something within about 10 minutes a couple weeks ago. There was a computer recycling company somewhere out in California that was actually trying to get rid of a flower power iMac. And I remember that that was one of the limited edition ones that was super rare. I've actually never seen one in person. I've never known anyone who owned one. And I thought, wait a minute, those are supposed to be super expensive. And sure enough, I checked, and most of the ones you find on eBay are upwards of $400 to $700, even in non-working condition. And I kind of did a double check. I said, wait a minute. So this place wants $40 for the iMac and $30 for shipping? Buy it now, okay. So what we're gonna be doing today is just kind of unboxing. I'm gonna kind of take a look at this flower power iMac. I do know they said it doesn't have a hard drive in it, so that's kind of the fun part of it. So probably will be another video in the future once I get some parts and kind of get it up and running. But I hope you enjoy. Wow, so here it is. I can't believe it. This is pretty amazing. Oh my goodness, it still has like the programmer switch and all that stuff on the side. I'd forgotten about that. So it's not as bright as I would have thought it would be, but thinking back on it, I don't remember any of those iMacs really being bright in the sense of like neon. Wow, this is just amazing. Honestly, it seems like it's in great condition. It's got a couple wear marks, but even some of this just comes off with my fingernail. Yeah, check that out. So it has a blue Apple logo on top to match the pastel blue. And on the back, it has a pink Apple logo. Well, all right. So they said there's no hard drive in this thing. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in anyway, just out of curiosity. Honestly, half the time when I've bought electronics off of eBay, they've worked fine. It's just there was some minor thing that needed to be done to tweak it to get it on. So let's see here. I'll actually be shocked if this turns on. Oh, here we go. It's in the back. I'd forgotten. Man, it's been a long time. Here, let me flip out the stand there on the bottom. There we go. See, maybe I'm over optimistic. Let me go ahead and plug in a keyboard and a mouse. We'll kind of go from there. Yeah, this was an exciting kind of computer, I remember, because it was the first, one of the first Macs to use USB. I think this guy, the Flower Power iMac, was released in 2001, I believe. All right, let's see if anything happens. Okay, here goes nothing. Well, it posts, that's a good thing. Let's see what happens. Oh, that hard drive click noise. I have not heard that in so long. Interesting. So obviously it has a hard drive in it. So bonus points for kind of taking a guess that tech people on eBay don't always know everything about it. Honestly, getting this guy for $40 plus 30 shipping, I mean, they didn't know what they had. So I looked it up, and the store was mainly a PC a store with PC bar. Computer lab. Okay, so it was a school computer, which makes sense because I'm gonna be honest, I mean, even though it's cool for novelty, who actually really wants a giant hippie flower power computer? No judgment if you do, but okay, well, I guess I'm gonna be getting to work. It probably just needs to be reformatted, and I guess we'll go from there. Until next time.